Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to show you how you can transform your Lightning McQueen into a red Angry Bird. The first thing that you'll need to do is take some red Play-Doh and use that to cover the front and sides of Lightning McQueen. Next, you'll take some more red Play-Doh to cover Lightning McQueen's roof. After you have that patted down and connected to the sides, take 2 little pieces of black Play-Doh and create Angry Bird's eyebrows. To make Angry Bird's plume of feathers, you'll take 2 little pieces of red Play-Doh, roll those out, connect them, make sure that one is a little bit longer than the other, and then attach them to Lightning McQueen's roof. This next part was the trickiest part for me. To make Angry Bird's white feathers, you'll take some white Play-Doh, flatten it out, and attach it to the front of Lightning McQueen. You need to make sure that you round it up towards where Angry Bird's beak will be. Use a small piece of orange Play-Doh to create a beak and attach it to the front where the red and white meet. And there you have it, Lightning McQueen as Red Angry Bird. For more Play-Doh and Cars 2 fun, click on one of the pictures at the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Hiya!